Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today I am going to be planning in my Catchall planner and it is for the week of May 10th through the 16th. So here we go. This is in my Catchall Teresa Collins Classic Size Happy Planner. And I am going to be using the ROYGBIV from Kelloofaplan, which is basically a rainbow sticker book. When I saw these blues and navy blues, I immediately knew that I'm going to be doing a spread with some really beautiful stickers. I was hoping to combine more blues into this because if you guys know me, you know I am obsessed with blues and I don't think there's nearly enough blue florals. So here we go. I'm going to erase those lines to be able to fit this beautiful arrangement in here. I am going to try to minimize the lower line as well, as this sticker is super long. While I am doing this, I just wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. It means so much to me. And if you are brand new, welcome. I am so happy you found me. I am absolutely obsessed with florals, so if you are here, chances are you are too. So here we go. Okay, I wanted to put another different type of floral arrangement on the other side, and I'm going to do it right on top to give myself the maximum option of writing as many things down as possible. My spreads are usually quite busy, and that's pretty normal for me, so I want to be able to continue that throughout my spreads, as this kind of runs my life. Okay, so here we go. I do want to lift this up and possibly do some correction tape in there to make sure that it is looking fairly clean, and I don't think I need those pinks in here. Okay, so much better, right? Yeah. Okay, so there's some boxes in here and there's some bullet points in there as well. So we have black mixed with this gorgeous blue in here, and who wouldn't love that? I do want to add a corner sticker right to that lower portion of the notes section, or the sidebar section as we call it in the Happy Planner world. Okay, so far so good, right? If you wanted to, you probably could leave it like this. It was amazing. But I'm going to be playing with some indigo because I really am looking forward to using that book more and more each day. I will be adding boxes and different things, and I thought it will be kind of nice because look, it practically matches with the color scheme, right? I used this book for one spread already, so it's missing some stickers, but it's not bad at all. And I'm gonna add a few from, well, maybe not. Maybe I shouldn't be adding anything from the Kelloofaplan book and save those for another time. But for now, I'm going to see what I can do with my indigo book. I'm going to put a big box that I can list things in. If you watch my channel, you know I love listing. Listing things is my pride and joy of this planner. I'm so obsessed with how well the colors match in those two sticker books. It's just meant to be. So what I'm doing now is taking a navy blue striped sticker and putting it right under a box, and I think that looks pretty good. I think it looks pretty decent. So then here we go. Okay, I am ripping the sticker, but it was so crooked that I can't do anything about. I might have to remove that little piece of sticker that's stuck on there and just reapply and see what happens. I just want it to be really straight. Let me pick this up one more time. Okay, I think that's it. I think that looks good, especially with that edged end. I think it looks pretty great, so I'm gonna put one on each side. I'm so excited about using this book. By the way, I haven't done any flip throughs of the new release that I ordered, the teacher release, because my package has been lost for almost 2 weeks now. It is pretty terrible, and I spent probably about 5 hours with FedEx on the phone trying to figure out where my package might be. So obviously that's a concern. So as soon as I get that, maybe even today or tomorrow, they're looking for it, I will be doing all of the flip throughs for you guys. But yeah, my package is gone. If you guys have experienced the same or similar things, let me know, because I'm always a little bit curious of how other people handle issues like that. Okay, so there's like a cluster of stickers for work, and I thought these will be pretty great because I am kind of tracking my work days, and then I'm putting everything else that needs to get done on a weekly for myself in this one, or for work in my work planner. Look how much more alive the spread is becoming with just those work stickers, right? Okay, and I'm gonna move that box. When the sticker doesn't pull the undo itself, I will take the tip of it and kind of spread it around, and then I'm able to remove it, and this is magic because look how fast it's going to disappear. So I'm going to cover up these correction tape things, and I'm going to put a sticker on top that says every day is a fresh start. And I'm going to reapply that sticker I took off. I just want it to be a bit more straight, which I didn't do a very good job of. So let's try again. Attempt number 3. Actually, if I add a flower, I might not have to move it because it's gonna draw the attention from there. So let's take a look. Can I do that? Maybe. Okay. So I need I need a few things, but I don't know exactly what I need because that's so difficult to say. I'm going to put a to-do list on Saturday. So here we go. Yeah, let's lift this up and put it on straight, which could be nearly impossible with my planning talents, but oh well. Okay, it is time for some checklists. As you guys know, I love my checklist. This time I'm going to be doing bullet points, so I grabbed my Signa Uni-Ball black pen. It is in the 3.8 size, and they're super black and they're beautiful, so I wanted to make some checklists with those and go from there. Okay, so here we go. Just need to do that for every single day. Okay, I'm just placing them strategically, not to overwhelm my spread, so I'm looking at them from the top and just trying to figure out where my bullet points should go. And of course I can always add more if I need them, but I've been clustering things, so instead of writing out each thing, I will put phone calls and a quick tiny list underneath, or errands and a quick tiny list underneath. That's how I've been doing it, and it seems to be working for me, so I'm going to continue. But I think we are done with this spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me.